In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make spinach tortillas at home. You can use them for wraps, tacos, and so much more. Now, the first thing we're going to do is cook the spinach down a little bit in boiling water for about a minute or two. We do this so the spinach is easier to manage and blend in our dough. Once it's soft, I'm going to reserve some of the water in case I need it, and then I'm going to drain it from the pot and transfer the spinach inside a food processor or blender and blend it until smooth. In a bowl, I'm gonna add my flour, baking powder, oil, and salt. And with a wooden spoon, you're gonna mix it up into a bowl of dough. You're gonna place a bowl of dough on a silicone mat or a parchment paper, and with your hands, you wanna form a circle. Now you're gonna divide the dough into 6 pieces for burrito or wrap size tortillas, more if you want them smaller, like for tacos, for example. Now, all you have to do is roll each of these pieces to form smaller balls of dough, which you'll soon turn into tortillas. Now, to roll them out into actual tortillas, we're going to lightly flour our counter or surface and use a rolling pin to stretch it out, making sure to flip it a few times in all directions until you have a thin 8 to 10 inch tortilla or the size that you want. I have a hot non-stick pan over medium heat, and I'm gonna put the tortilla right on top. Without disturbing it, let the heat do its thing and cook the dough on the first side. And then when you see these big bubbles, you're gonna flip it and cook the other side for about 30 seconds to a minute. Check them out. Toasty, warm, perfectly pliable, and you can use them in your favorite wraps and recipes. Make sure to grab the ingredient measurement right below this video and check out this next video to make an awesome lunch with these tortillas. See you guys next time.